craft video for the 6 to 11 age craft, and this will be available starting Monday, October 12th. And this craft is going to be our DIY anemometers, and that is a tool to measure wind speed. So as you can see, it goes around, and I'll try it out with a fan here, but go take it outside on a nice breezy or windy day, and you can see, there we go. So it will measure how fast the wind goes. The way to measure it is just keep your eye on one of the cups. You can make a little circle or a drawing, and then what you're going to do is for 1 minute count how many times it revolves around and comes back, and that will measure the rates per minute and the wind speed. All right, so what you'll get in your bag is you'll get the instructions here, and there will be a paper clip because you will need that. And you'll have a pencil, 2 straws, and 5 cups. And the cups are already pre-punched for you, so you don't have to poke any holes in there. So what you'll do first is you're gonna put the pencil in through the bottom. So you'll find the cup that has a bottom hole and 4 holes on the top there. So you'll put the pencil through there, and you want to kind of keep the eraser towards the top a little bit. Alrighty, and then what you'll do next is you'll take 1 straw and you're going to put it through 2 of the holes across from each other in the cup. So we'll get that. Might have to poke a little bit through to get it in. Alrighty. And if you might need to poke the hole a little bigger. You can use a pencil or something else to poke through to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so we have 1 straw, and then also in the middle of the straws, you'll see there's a little hole that I have pre-poked in for you. So you have one straw in through there, and then you're gonna take the other straw and put it through the other holes on the opposite sides, and then you're going to make sure your straws are crossed and they make an X at the top of the cup. So let's get this last one in, and just be very careful if you need to poke your holes a little bigger that you don't rip through the whole cup. Okay, so you have your X there, and then you can also just try to line up the holes that are in the straws. Okay, so you have your cup, and then what you're going to do to keep everything together is you're going to take your paper clip and you're going to just open it up a little bit. So you can see on mine, so it's just opened a little bit and a little bent, so that way you're going to put your paper clip in through the holes that were poked through the straws, and then you're going to also poke that through into, there is a hole in the top of your eraser of the pencil, and that's going to keep everything together. So just be very careful when you put your paper clip through. So you just want to make sure also that it still has enough space to turn around. And then what you're going to do with the remaining cups is there are 2 holes. You'll see 2 holes on the sides, and you'll see what you do is you put the straw through the 2 holes, and you just want to be careful, or just make sure that you have your cups all facing the same direction. So you can see the tops of the cups are all facing this way, so that way they catch the wind and then they all rotate equally. So you can see once you get them all on there, Then you have the straws through the holes, and then make sure that yep, your cup can spin around and that your straws are crossed at the top. And there you have it. So that is your anemometer, and I hope I said that right. But that's the craft. And again, you just want to go outside on a breezy day, or make sure it's not too windy, but you know, test out maybe different times of the day. If it's breezier in the morning or in the afternoon, or if you go to the beach, that's a good place to have some breeze. And you can see on that hole there, I just drew a little circle so I knew which one to take to keep my eye on, and then I will count how many times that one passes the center. And then again, that's your rates per minute. So you measure that, and then you measure your wind speed, and there you have it. So I hope you enjoy making your anemometers, and you go out and be little scientists. Alrighty, well thank you, and again, these will be available starting Monday, October 12th. Thank you.